That was on that, whoa. That was on that bluegill head. Alright, good evening everybody. Welcome back to Ladue. It's Wednesday night. It's a little after 8 o'clock. Looks like it's going to be a nice night. Again, weatherman was saying we were going to have thunderstorms and everything until like midnight. But I took a chance and came out here anyway. Glad I did. Because it looks like it's going to be a gorgeous night. And we have a full moon. Might not be able to see that full moon with the cloud cover, but hopefully we'll get a glimpse of it. I do have to work on my audio. The last video I put out, the audio was horrible. I couldn't even hear myself. So I'm going to make a point to, speak loud tonight. And when I'm editing, make sure I double check that audio for you. Alright, as I said, I'm at Ladue. I'm going to hit the banks here for about an hour. Try to get me some bluegill or something to throw out for live bait. I do have my cherry jello, so I'm not empty-handed. But I want to get some live bait. I tried to get some last week when I was here and put my line in a tree and lost it. Didn't want to retie one. Didn't have hooks to retie one. So I had to just fish with the cherry jello. And I came out of here last Wednesday with nothing. So we're after it tonight. I want to catch a bait fish though, damn it. Oh, we got a big old bluegill. Get in this boat before you pop that hook. Got another. Two's good. I would really like to have a third. There's number 3. Alright, we are where we're going to be for the next couple hours. I am parked right at the mouth of a creek channel, probably the biggest creek channel in here in Ladue. Goes back quite a ways and goes around to the right and actually forks. Has 2 little separate creek channels back there. But I am right at the mouth. According to my Navionics, I'm sitting in about 12 feet of water. Right off there to the front of me, about 20-30 feet, it's only about 4 feet of water. And right behind me, probably about 100 feet, is about 4 feet of water. So it just whoop, and I'm sitting right in the middle. So I'm going to drop some baits down, and hopefully these cats are moving up into this creek channel to do some feeding. Throw out some live bait. I think I'm going to start with a live bait and cut bait. Not going to mess around with the cherry jello yet. But we're going to see what we can get on some bluegill. I'll talk to you in a few. We've been here about an hour. I'm probably going to give it another hour. Hopefully the camera angle's okay. It's actually been on and off raining, so I've been covering up my camera with my bag, so I don't know if I've moved it. Sometimes it's looked like I did, so I've repositioned it. It's probably all out of whack. I think it looks fine from this angle, but Probably a crappy picture. These flippin' midgies are ridiculous. One like flew into my eye. Bastards. Alright, I made a move. I moved to my bridge. I usually have a lot of luck at this bridge. Not the last time I was here, but I usually do pretty well at this bridge. Check my baits here. Yeah, that bluegill head's still good. Look at that, that's a big bluegill head. I might rehook them through the other nostril though. Beauty. Yeah, he still got a lot of guts in there. He looked perfect. And I think my live bluegill is done. Yep, he didn't survive the move. I was kind of worried about that. He's still got a little life to him there. You know what? We're going to send him down. See what happens. Any minute now, that moon is going to be popping out. I hope you can see it. I really do. I hope you can see it. Yeah, probably a couple more minutes. Oh, whoa! We hooked up. We hooked up. That was on that, whoa. That was on that bluegill head. Oh. Whoa, buddy. Oh man, he's ran to the back of the kayak. I'm trying to get him back up front. There we go. There we go. He feels decent. Oh, okay. Yeah, he feels decent. Sitting right over top of this bridge. That was a big bluegill head. Big one. All right. Take our time with him. He's got some energy. So we're gonna let him tire himself out. Oh yeah, go ahead and take some more drag, buddy. Wow. We're bare-handing it because I did not put my gloves back in. Oh, I see him. I see him. Oh, that's a good sized cat. That's a good cat. That is a nice cat. He just ain't done yet though. I'm gonna let him tire himself out. Hopefully when he gets up in this kayak he ain't acting a fool. I think it's time to pull him in. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Hey, how you doing? All right. That's a beauty right there. That is a beauty. Got it. Had it. Get up in here. Ooh. Woo! Take my other thumb. There you go. Oh, yeah, he's taking it. Ah, damn. How you doing, buddy? I've been waiting all night for you. Yeah. Had to bend the hook to get it out of there. Oh, that's a female. That's a big female. Ooh. Look at that. That is a big female. See that small mouth? Ooh, she's got a lot of fight in her too. Yep. Good. Good fish to, dang it. Good fish to start the night out with. We're gonna let her get back in there. She's all full of energy. Bit the hell out of my thumb. All right. Ha. Woo. Hell of a way to start. Hell of a way to start. Even though I've been out here for a while, that was a hell of a way to start. Ah, damn. Yeah. She got me good. She got me good. We got blood. That's all right, though.